Why?
It's first year anniversary of Ohio Ginayo.
Oh yeah, really? It's made it 1 year.
Yeah, it's already
Oh.
1 year.
1 year?
And thank God they don't. Oh, baby, later they going to take it out now.
Probably.
Mm.
No, you ain't making no more money. Here's to another 10 years.
10 years of Ohio Ginaya.
Maybe.
Only 10 years?
Only. Yeah.
Lifetime?
No, we need to retire sometime.
Retired of Ohio Ginaya?
Yeah.
No, this is forever, loves.
What?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
cheers for the Ohio Ginaya
No,
forever.
dude, no forever.
It is forever, Ohio
shit.
Ginaya. Oh, shit.
Huh?
As long as
Isn't
we
it-
always...
Wasn't you just saying it's Ohio, Uginayo,
Pabasa
Pabasatayo?
tayo.
Happy 1 year.
Happy 1 year anniversary. Forever.
Yeah, our marriage.
Our marriage, yeah. We married to Ohio Ginay also. Yeah.